Hello everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll see how to cartoon an image in Python with OpenCV module. So let us begin. So for this we need VSCode or any IDE. After it we need to install OpenCV module. So for it simply write pip install OpenCV Python in your command prompt. And the third thing is a sample image. So let us begin. So here is our code. Over here first of all we have imported the OpenCV module. After it, we are loading the image using imread function. Over here, you have to edit the path accordingly. As you can see, this videos is the name of the folder and this image underscore is the name of the image. And here in this videos folder, you can see this is our image. Now, further moving ahead, using this resize function, we are resizing the image. After it, to show the original image, we are using this imshow function. Now, to convert the image into a grayscale image, we are using CVT color function. After it, to blur the image, we are using blur function. Now, we will convert our grayscale image into its binary image. So, for it, we are using this adaptive threshold function. Again, we are resizing it and showing the edges of the image. After it, to reduce the unwanted noise and keep the edges sharp, we are using this bilateral filter function. After it, we are performing a bitwise construction using this bitwise underscore and function. Again, we are resizing the image and showing the cartoon image. At last, we will wait for a key to be pressed, and at last, when the key will be pressed, then only we will destroy all the open windows. Now let us see how exactly it will work. So for it, I'm clicking on run Python file. As you can see over here, this is our original image. These are the edges of the image. And finally, this is the cartoon image. So in this way, we can use OpenCV module to cartoon an image. Hope you will like it. Thank you.